Hey folks, welcome back to Real Southern Outdoors. Now, do you ever struggle trying to get your 5-gallon buckets apart? Like, when you get through with them, you stack them up, and then when you need them again, there's always a couple that no matter how hard you pull or struggle, they just don't want to separate. Well, today, I'm going to show you how to do it without all the struggle. You're going to need an air compressor with an air tip or something like this, and what you want to do is go right in that joint where these buckets go together. Push that air tip right in that joint. Little air pressure, they'll come right apart. I hope this tip will help you. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. Share my videos so I can help someone else just like I'm trying to help you. And like I always say, till next time, may God bless you, and we'll catch you later.